happiness, gay gay. If I broke, now my business, come on. I'ma show you how you go bright, oh. For like for the night, oh. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ogochukwu. I want to introduce myself again, for those that have not met me before. My name is Ogochukwu. I have a very exciting, interesting, engaging, and a very fun item to show you guys. But before that, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I just bought the product and then I used it and I liked it. But before that, I would like to tell you guys the benefits and the reason behind getting this item. Okay, you guys know that the children have closed school, everyone is on holiday, so I've gone for vacation, and then you're just home watching TV from morning till night. Thank God to my auntie, she connected Netflix for us. It has been keeping us very, very busy. Like, we watch TV from morning till night or more. We got tired at some point, so she decided to come up with a new idea, like to get something new for us. And then she came up with a very brilliant idea to get this wonderful product. Okay guys, this product, I've used it or more. It connects, like it brings family together, like it gives this vibe, like even if you don't know how to sing, you must sing by force, whether you like it or not. I know you must be wondering what this product is. Like, all man wants to see this product. You guys should just chill, calm down, calm down. I'm going to bring this. Like, it's coming with escort. Okay guys, I present to you a wonderful item with these 4 qualities I just mentioned: interesting, exciting, fun, and engaging. I present to you guys, ta-da! I know you guys know what this is used for. Maybe you guys might be like, is it this thing? Most of you know what this is, but for you guys, I don't know what it is. It's called a karaoke microphone. It has served a lot in this house, so like, I don't even know when last I even watched TV. Me, I used to be this mad Netflix freak. I don't even know when last I even watched TV. It has served a lot, okay? Okay, guys, I'll be unboxing this great thing here. I'm going to be unboxing it, so you guys should just pay attention and look at it and then grab the functions of the keys on the buttons inside. Hey guys, this is a karaoke microphone. It has 2 ports. The first one, you can see this one is like this is the charging cable. If it dies, you use one and charge it. You can see it here. Okay, the second one is for recording. This is for recording any song you make with the karaoke microphone. This is the recording, for recording. Don't forget, this is the charging and this for recording. Although they are white, so make you know deceive you. Okay, let me now bring out the almighty karaoke microphone. This is the one it was inside. You can see this has been packaged. And this is the manual. So there are just like 5 things inside this carton. The manual, this white pack in which the microphone was inside, and then the 2 ports. This is the karaoke microphone manual. It's written in both English, and then at the back, I don't know if it's Chinese. Yeah, I think it's Chinese. Okay, this one aside. Then the almighty karaoke. Wow, they even put them for white nylon. Karaoke na your mate. Gay. Okay, this nylon aside. All right, this is the almighty karaoke. See how it's glowing and shining. No more blue fine. Blue is a very fine color. Okay, guys. As you can see, it has buttons. It has buttons. This is where you operate it. It has like 8 buttons. Okay, this QM button, when you long press it, is to on it, either to on or to off. When you short press it, it's for mode, because it has 3 mode. It has, the first one is the Bluetooth mode. It has the FM mode, that's the radio. And the third one is the most exciting mode, which is the karaoke mode. And then this one here, I think this one is for if you're making a music now, maybe you want to pause it. Yeah, you pause it. And then you can also long press it to remove the original sound of the music that you're playing. Okay, this one here, when you short press it, short okay, this one here, when you short press it, you can switch a single loop and then play it in sequence. Okay, this one here, on this one, this is a very exciting one. This is like the button I like the most in all this thing here because it has different voice changers. You can make your voice sound in so many ways, not just the voice that you have. And then just short press, not long press, just short press it. Don't need to long press it. Okay, this one, when you long press this one, you can decrease the volume of the music you're playing, and you can also use it to play a previous song under an MP3. And also this one, it's just at the opposite of this one. When you press this one, long press it, you will increase the volume of the music you're playing, and you can also use it to press the next. When you press it, you get the next song. This one is for previous song. This one is for next song. It has two functions each: decreasing volume and previous song, increasing volume and then the next song. Okay, this one is the microphone volume. When it's down like this and you talk, it's not going to sound. You need to raise it up for you to get the sound that you want. So this one is echo. You guys know what echo is now. If equal one will quote 10, I don't even understand. You can control it here, how you want the level of your echo to be. If you want it to be so high, maybe you say you call my name now, OG, 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 OG. You just echo so many times. Just increase and reduce, increase and reduce. That is the essence of this echo button. It was like this. You don't even know that there is something here if you don't go through the manual and then see it. You open here. Is that not interesting? It's not
Wow.
interesting, no more. Okay, here is they have their functions written on it. Here is the USB where you insert your USB. Here is where you record your music. I showed you guys the port for recording. You insert it inside here and then record your music. TF card. This is where you insert your TF card. It's memory card, not make them confuse you. This is where you put your memory card. Then this lower part here is where you charge it. When it goes down, just insert the port here, the cable here, and it charges. And be cautious whenever you put your cord here, you need to make sure that there is a red light. But if there's no red, that means it's not charging. Make sure that the red light is on to ensure that it is really charging. So okay, these are the functions of this area. I'm going to close it back.
Wow.
Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. You guys can see my face now. I think you've been seeing my hand for long. Welcome back to my face. Okay, I'm done explaining the buttons and then the functions of the microphone, karaoke microphone. Yes, I know. I know it's two, and I just explained to you guys about one. Okay, we got to, because the fun of a karaoke is when there are two singers. Almost everything will now be jamming, jamming, jamming. Now be giving you this kind of vibe that's coming from nowhere. You understand the feeling, I understand the vibe. I know you get it, you get it, you get it. All right, we got to the karaoke microphone. So that it's not one person is singing, you're looking at the person like say you're hungry. So you need you need to microphone so that when the person is singing, maybe they'll sing the beginning part of the music of the song. You now sing the chorus. Everything will now be aligning. You get the point. You get the point. Okay, the reason we got to is because it's cheaper. Like it's not the same price they sold for one that they sold, as it's not like different prices. Like two of them has a discount. You understand? So that's the main reason we even got to, not even because of all this thing I'm saying, because we don't get money. Oh. I said this QM mode is for power and off, power on and power off when you long press it, and then when you short press is for changing of mode, Bluetooth, FM, and then the karaoke mode. That's the fun part of everything. When I mean long press, this is what I mean. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. So this device welcomed us with a Bluetooth mode. So let's bring our phone and then pair it to know if it's actually working. So I'm going to on my Bluetooth. Let's wait for it to connect. This is the phone and this is the device. Bluetooth device is connected successfully. I'm sure you guys heard that it's connected successfully. Okay, guys, this is the music playing through the karaoke microphone. The second mode is the FM mode, short press, not long press. No go long press, it will off. Just short press to switch to the next mode.
The radio mode up.
This how we used to know Nigeria radio. If you welcome you with this nonsense sound, very very annoying. If you want to pause your FM, you just press it, short press. You see, it has paused. And then if you want to play it back, then if you want to change to the next channel in this same FM mode, you will long press it. You see? So that's how we keep going. You keep long pressing, you be switching to different mode. So that's it. If you want to pause, you just short press and it pauses. Short press and it pauses. I bring to you guys the exciting mode. Like as in the main reason behind this gege, like the main reason behind this beautiful device you're seeing here, the karaoke mode. I'm going to just give you guys an example so you guys will see how it works, blah blah blah, stuff like that. You understand now? When I say this stuff bring family together, you guys should buy this thing, like try it with your family members. You feel the connectivity, like the connectivity of this wonderful product. Okay guys, I'm going to play the music now. You guys can hear the music now. So this is the way you control the volume. If I decrease it goes down. When I increase it, you can see the level of the volume. So I'm going to sing along with it right now. Okay, I'm not catching. I just want the happy. If I broke my business, come on. I'ma show you go right to. Come on, hey, for like for the night. Yo, is your bae OG in the building? Woo! Oh, you feeling the vibe, man? You feel See, I just be like say that you sing the song. Like you feel like saying me sing this song now. Like I'm feeling the vibe one more. Hey, come on. Okay. Guy, I don't sabi this song. Maybe I know first. I don't sing the part when I sing. I'm sorry, I beg. Oh, I want stress. Come on, gay. Guy, this is the bring vibe. Guys, I know you guys enjoyed my song, although I did not sing it very well. I know sabi the song that well. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of this wonderful product. Although I did not sing very well because I don't know the song. Okay, this product, I have to say sincerely, is a very nice product. I would advise if you're getting, I would advise you get two. So you feel the vibe. Maybe if you get one now, you just be singing alone. You just feel as in it just be like saying more balls will come upon you. So if you're just buying, just get two. And another thing about it is that when you get two, there's a discount. Maybe if one is sold for 20k and then a discount of 10k, you now buy two for 30k or something like that. So I will encourage you guys to just get it. It's very very fun. It's good for your kids and also you, because at times when you're bored at home and you don't know what to do, you'll be tired of watching TV stuff. So guys, I'm going to be signing out now. It's still your girl OG. So see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you guys later. Bye bye.